My hair is relaxed and it feels so soft. And as always, when you relax your hair, you don't want it to be bone straight. You still want to leave the strength in it and the texture, just to be able to run your fingers through it and to have it be able to sustain a style. And now that I see mine, it has really grown, but then again, it has a lot of split ends. You see, when you're growing out of a relaxer or you're trying to be natural and you got relaxer on the ends, your hair is going to start breaking where that line meets between the relaxer and the naturalness. So that drives me crazy. I cannot have all of this hair down here a little shorter and this is long. So that makes me want to start over and give my hair a good trim. Look at that beautiful sun-kissed color that I was telling you about. That's absolutely beautiful. It's exactly what I want. Just a little highlights on the end. Now to precision cut my unit and then install it because I'm ready for this new summer look. Now on to curling my unit. Now to curl my hair so that it will blend seamlessly with my hair unit. hope that you have enjoyed this little series of me showing you my new summer look by first coloring this unit that I made, then relaxing my own hair, and then to installing this little cute unit after I cut and styled it for you. Listen, everyone, I want to humbly thank you so much again for tuning in to my channel. I thank you for subscribing and for commenting and for liking. My channel is really growing, and it's all because of you, and I am so grateful. So if you have not done so already, please subscribe, comment. I'm loving your comments. Like, tell others, share my content, whatever it takes to get the word out about Miss Lola's Hair and More. I would appreciate it, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.